Hello, welcome to the next Welsh lesson. I'm sorry it's been a long time in coming, but there's been a lot on. Now for this lesson, I've had quite a few requests, but I thought since it's tourist season, a lot of people are visiting here, I thought I'd teach you all how to ask where things are. And the Welsh word term for that is Blair Mai. So Blair, as in Tony Blair, or the Blair Witch Project, and Mai. It's like Mai, but it's M-A-S, it's Mai. So Blair Mai, that's where is. So you could ask Blair Mai a siopai, which is where are the shops. Blair Mai a toileti, where are the toilets, or bathrooms if you're American. You could even ask Blair Mai Hael, which is where is the sun, in which case you should have booked a holiday somewhere else because, yeah, it's very rainy here. So Blair Mai. Now, a Welsh person might reply, who might give you directions. So in which case, you're going to want to know your left from right. Left is a chwith, and right is a there. So, so if you go to left, it's a chwith, and right is a there. So I'm not sure an easy way to remember that, but that's what it is. Now, they may say the first turning on the left. Now, first is cyntaf, second is ail, third is trydydd, and then it goes sort of like number-wise. So 4 is pedwerydd, 5 is pumed, and if you know your numbers from the early lessons, you should be alright from there. But then if someone's actually saying it's the 15th turning on the right, then they're pretty rubbish at directions. Chwith cyntaf means the first left. Yeah, and that's how directions really. So until the next lesson, hwyl fawr, and keep those requests and things coming. Okay, thank you.
Diolch.